So now that we have this upsell page done, let's go back. We'll save it first, of course, and then go back. And now that we're at the root again, we're going to pretty much create a template from this, because the next two pages that we're going to create, which will be a downsell page and another upsell page, we're going to be using the same template that we have here. So what we're going to do is pretty much clone this funnel step. And we'll add that to the funnel. And we'll go down here. Since it's highlighted now, we're going to edit the page. And once again, we'll go to Settings, General, and we're going to save page as template. Template name will be number one dad gear OTO template, or we're just going to say OTO one-time offer template. That's fine. Let's create a template from that. And there's our template there. This other one here I was playing around with earlier, so just disregard this. And this is our new template. Alright, so now that we have our template, let's go back to the root, back to funnels. And now that we're back here, we're going to delete this clone step that we have down here. So we'll just go ahead and click on that red X. Okay. Alright, so now let's go ahead and create the next page in this funnel, and that is the downsell page. We'll add a new step. We'll call it OTO 2. And we'll just make it OTO 2-2 here, and create funnel step. Alright, so let's go ahead and drag this up here. The downsell page always goes right after the upsell page. Now we're going to go and select our template, and the one that we want is under sales, one-click downsell, and there's our template there. So we'll select that template.